That got hurt. That's funny.
Do that backwards.
That gotta hurt. Where did they shoot him?
Come on.
Where did they shoot him at?
Dad,
Or out in the head, Hunter.
I saw it in the eye.
Wow.
I can't look. I can't look.
You can't look? Okay.
You got it? Oh, I can't.
He's frozen friggin' solid in his head still.
Really?
Yeah.
So, ew, I can see the guts. But what are the guts?
You just got to get all the skin off, right?
Yeah. As much meat as you can, so when you boil it.
What is the guts?
Come on, you bastard.
It's giving him the Chelsea grin.